Coming soon to 876 Street's YouTube channel.
Today we're at Dover.
Hi, my name is Chung.
Norman is always there.
Last place Chris was seen alive.
Next phone call me get.
I didn't believe it at first.
I've known Pancho for over 20 years.
My name is Richard Lee. I'm the CEO for Miracle Corporation.
Pancho's family, and I was going to say Pancho's wife is my wife, but you know.
They're gonna miss their dad.
This doesn't usually happen. He was like, oh, you know, I love you. And then I said it back to him.
So we came home, but then just last week, so you can kind of see this go.
Very competitive to keep that like sauce.
How come a helmet didn't save his life?
Preservation of a life is paramount to the GRDC.
Yo, never forget it. Never leave you out of our thoughts.
And of course, never forget 876 Streets.